I'm starting a workshop from scratch, no mastery, no big shop, just the process. Hi guys, this is Abraham and welcome to this channel. This is my first video, so I just want to say thank you all for being here. We are in my garage right now, which is my workspace. This is my man cave. It's where I create all the stuff that I'll be showing you guys in further videos. Now, I came a long way to make it look the way it is right now. I know there's work left to do, but that's kind of the whole point. So I just hope you guys kind of stick along and join me on this venture.
So, for the past 2 years, I've been putting a lot of time, money, and thought into making this happen. I won't lie, it's been challenging. There have been doubts and fear, but those things are going to be there almost every time you might want to start something new in your life. In my case, all I can say is that I never been more sure about something else before. So again, I don't know exactly where this is going, but I'm committed 100% to follow through. So I just want to invite you to this space. I'll try to make it as fun and real as possible, show you my mistakes, my accomplishments, basically everything that happens within these 4 walls. I'll be uploading 1 video every week starting from now, most likely by Fridays or Saturday. So if you would like to follow this journey with me, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for being here and I'll see you in the next one.